Have you ever accidentally closed a chart in NinjaTrader, saved your workspace, and then realized your entire chart is completely gone? It's incredibly frustrating. Let's say you're working in your workspace. We're using the opening bell system as an example here, and you accidentally click the X on your chart window. Then out of habit, you close the NinjaTrader control panel and hit Yes to All to save your workspace. NinjaTrader shuts down. When you open NinjaTrader back up, your chart is missing. Even if you try closing and reloading the workspace or checking the taskbar for hidden windows, it's just not there. Don't panic. Here is exactly how to fix this. First, make sure to close the broken workspace along with any other workspaces you currently have open. Next, go to your Control Center, click on Tools, and then select Database Management. Scroll down, expand the Restore Workspace section, and click the Restore button. This opens your backup folders. Double-click the folder for the workspace you need to recover. Click Date Modified a few times so the most recent backup files are at the top. This next part is crucial. Skip any files that are exactly 1 kilobyte in size. Look for a file size larger than that, like this 179 kilobyte file here, and select it. Give it a few seconds and your chart will pop back up. You can now close the database management window. Take a quick moment to click through your chart tabs and check your data series to ensure everything loaded correctly, like your custom session trading hours. Now we need to clean up our workspace list. Go back to your control panel and open the Workspaces menu. You'll see your recovered workspace with the word Restored at the end of it. First, hover over your original broken workspace and click Remove, then hit Yes to confirm. Next, go back to the Workspaces menu, hover over the Restored version, and click Save As. Type in the exact name of your original workspace, in our case, Opening Bell System, and hit Save. You can now safely remove the backup file with Restored in the name. Just hit Yes on the prompt. Finally, hit Save on your newly restored original workspace. Let's do a final test by closing the workspace, saving it, and reopening it. As you can see, everything loads perfectly. To safely close out of the platform, hit the X on the main control panel. Never hit the X on the chart itself, or you will have to repeat this entire process. Click Yes to All to save, and you're back in business.